चलो बच्चों, लेट्स रीड द क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट. Reduce the equation 2x minus 3y minus 6z is equals to 4 to the normal form, and hence find the length of perpendicular from origin to the plane. Okay, we have to find the length of perpendicular from the origin to the plane. Also we have to find the direction of cosines to the normal to the plane. हमें डायरेक्शन ऑफ कोसाइंस भी निकालने हैं. ठीक है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले हम कार्टीजन इक्वेशन की कॉन्सेप्ट डिस्कस करते हैं. की कॉन्सेप्ट में हमारे पास क्या है कि हमें क्या निकालने हैं, डायरेक्शन ऑफ कोसाइंस. तो इसकी एक बेसिक इक्वेशन होती है Lx प्लस my प्लस nz इक्वल टू p, where L, m and n are the direction cosines and p is the length of the perpendicular from the origin. So first of all, equation is given to us. We have to reduce this equation to normal form. So 2x minus 3y minus 6z is equals to 14. तो इसे convert करेंगे normal form में. How? Dividing this equation with its magnitude. So magnitude क्या आएगा हमारे पास, 2 square plus minus 3 square plus minus 6 square. So this will be 4 plus 9 plus 36. So this will be root 49 and this will be 7. So divide this equation first with 7. We will get 2 by 7x minus 3 by 7y minus 6 by 7z is equals to 14 by 7, that is 2. Okay, now if I compare my second equation with this basic equation of Cartesian plane, Cartesian equation of normal form of a plane. ठीक है, अगर हम इसके साथ कंपेयर करें, so the value of L will be equal to the coefficient of x, this will be 2 by 7. The value of y will be the coefficient of y, so this is minus 3 by 7, and the coefficient of z is, so this is not y, this is m. तो हमारे पास ये वैल्यू y की नहीं m की आई है. So this is m, and similarly the value of n will be the coefficient of z, that is minus 6 by 7, and the perpendicular distance, the length of a perpendicular from origin will be 2, that is the value of p is 2. So the length is 2 and the direction of cosines are 2, 3, minus 3 by 7 and minus 6 by 7. So this is the answer of the question. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck.